fucking good it is. I literally watched the intro, and this is why I'm laughing. She says the cringy okay. Advice on how to fucking tell your friend to fuck off if he has a crush on your crush. The fucking makeup she's wearing.
Sounds like a dead car trying to start. Dying.
Oh, it's technically wrong for your friend to have a crush on your crush. Wait. I'm gonna try it. Okay, wait. I need to watch more cringe and then watch what I'm gonna do. Wait, I need to watch the intro again.
There used to be a time where if people brought up Black Ops, I'd be
Bro. I'm a car, bitch! What the fuck?
What?
Salad Queen! I've been laughing for the past 12 minutes! I think this is a fucking new record!
Never.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna try finishing this video without laughing anymore. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a makeup tutorial. Oh my god. What she just said? Hey guys, it's Selena, also known as the Sour Kid. That's my nickname on Minecraft Pocket Edition. I feel like I just did 300 sit-ups without.
Right. No. Oh my god. Voice? What? This house.
Okay, I'm going back to the start of this video. No. Oh my god, okay, give me a sec. I can't fucking, dude, I'm fucking die. KKK!
That's what she said. I'm actually dying right now. Ow. Why are you still laughing?
What? My internet disconnected. What's up?
Boom, boom.
I'm confused. What's going on here? Why? What's wrong with him? What'd he do? Guys, get on Forerunner. Let's have some fun. Wait, listen. Okay, so basically what happened in the meantime that my internet was down, I actually got on my Nana's phone, and my nephew found this terrible PC that he wanted for $500. It was terrible, dude. It was worse than yours, Rebels. Like you know that old graphics card in excuse me. Yeah, that old graphics card. This one had like an AMD 630 or something. Or 6300 or so. I don't know. It was an AMD like 6 something. But I found a better PC, CyberPower. I found a CyberPower PC. It has a GTX 1050 Ti. It also has 8GB DDR3 RAM. It also has Windows 10 64-bit, and then it also has 1TB. So basically, it's $719. 719.
Okay, I got this over.
What do you mean it's not worth it?
Salad can!
Yeah. Yeah.
Brum brum!
Yeah.
That was
Love it yourself. So what you're telling me to do is build one for him on Amazon.
No, go to Ironside. Go to Ironside.com.
No, that's literally what that one is, because it has